Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to move the Safari search bar back to the top of your iPhone screen after an iOS update. Uh, let's get started. If your Safari address bar suddenly moved to the bottom, don't worry. This is a setting introduced in newer iOS versions. To fix it, first close Safari and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Safari. Next, scroll until you see two layout options, Tab Bar and Single Tab. By default, your iPhone may be using the Tab Bar option, which places the search bar at the bottom. Simply tap on Single Tab instead. Now go back and open Safari again. You'll instantly see the Safari search bar back at the top of the screen, just like before. This is one of the easiest ways to customize Safari on iPhone and make browsing feel more familiar. And that's it. That's how you can move the Safari address bar from bottom to top on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and Safari fixes.